In this video, I will show you how to back up WhatsApp messages. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is go ahead and open up WhatsApp. And what you need to do to back up your messages is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three dots. And from this menu that comes up, you want to come down and press onto settings. Now from your settings, what you're going to want to do is come down and press onto chats. And from here, if you just scroll down slightly, you're going to see an option for chat backup. So you want to press onto chat backup. Now, by default, this does have a auto backup feature. As you can see, there's an option here called frequency. So what you can do is change this for when you want WhatsApp to automatically back up your chats. So you can see you've got the option for daily, weekly, monthly, only when I tap backup or never. But if you want to just manually back up your chats, you can see the green backup button here. All you need to do is simply press the backup button. And once you press this button, you can see it says backing up messages. So it just takes a minute or two to do this, depending on how many chats and messages you have. You can see the size of my total chats is 183 megabytes. So it's just going to take a minute or two to go ahead and back up these chats and all your messages on WhatsApp. And once that's done, as you can see, we're going to get a confirmation saying last backup and the size of the last backup. So that's how to back up WhatsApp messages. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.